Hello. Today I'm gonna try something different. Actually, I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna sing my Kalego, which is talking about my goals as if they have already happened, starting with the words I remember when. And I'm gonna add another twist to this. I'm gonna apply the principles of authentic movement into the singing and the intention setting and let the deepest part of me express its intention, the awakened part of me, the my higher self, my creator space, the field of no meaning. And so let us begin. I remember, I remember, I remember, I remember, I remember feeling. Oh, 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 I remember, I remember feeling so good. Oh, I remember, I remember, I remember feeling so expansive. I remember, I remember feeling so centered. Hmm. I am so grateful. I am so grateful for feeling so centered. And I remember, I remember feeling so loving and yummy. So strong and stable and yummy. Oh, 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 yeah, oh, yeah. I remember, I remember feeling so, oh, oh, so abundant and explosive. And I remember feeling all of these feelings. Thank you so much.